Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your project grow a garden prismatic. First, clearly define your core vision, ensuring it's 100% clear. This initial step is crucial for establishing the vibrant outcome you desire. Next, prepare your foundational resources thoroughly. Think of this as enriching the soil for your garden. Finally, identify the key elements you'll need to cultivate a truly diverse and colorful prismatic garden. This careful planning sets the stage for remarkable growth. Now, let's focus on nurturing diverse elements. Introduce a minimum of 3 distinct types of seeds or ideas into your project. Variety is the spice of life, and it's essential for a prismatic garden. Make sure each element receives specific attention and resources for optimal development. Just like different plants need different care, your ideas do too. Encourage cross-pollination among these ideas to create new, unique, and brilliant combinations. For strategic prismatic growth, implement a structured growth plan with weekly check-ins. Consistent monitoring helps you stay on track. Address any challenges promptly, and don't hesitate to adjust your approach by 25% if needed. Flexibility is key to navigating unexpected turns. Optimize your resource allocation to support the most promising areas of your garden. This ensures that your efforts yield the most vibrant and impactful results over time. Finally, it's time for harvesting prismatic brilliance. Evaluate your garden's vibrancy against your initial 100% vision. Did you achieve the colorful, diverse outcome you imagined? Celebrate your successful outcomes, recognizing the unique beauty and impact you've created. This positive reinforcement is vital. Then, plan for future expansion, considering new plots or project phases to continue growing your amazing prismatic garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.